Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RB Online class. Today, I'm going to teach you that 8th chapter, 8th animal. Students, do you remember in previous class what we had discussed? We discussed about wind, breeze, and storms, different types of storms. These all are discussed in previous class. In today's session, we are going to learn about properties of air and uses of air. Then what does air contains? Properties of air. Properties of air. First one is that air has a weight. First property of air is air has a weight. Air has weight. Take two balloons and hang with this hanger. Take two balloons and hang this hanger. If we blow a balloon, it has a same weight. If we blow these two balloons, it has a weight. It will be straight. When we remove the air from one balloon, take a pin and blow out this air and it will become like this. This balloon has a weight and this one is we remove air from this balloon. Fill two balloons with air and tie them on a hanger. Fill up two balloons with air and tie them in a hanger. Remove air from one balloon. The other balloon drops down. Other balloon will drops down. Which thing is heavier? That will drops down. This shows that air has a weight. This is our first property of air. Air has a weight. Have you shown, students? Take it two balloons and fill it with air. Tie them two on a hanger and remove air from one balloon and another balloon will drop down because it has a weight. Which things have heavier? This one goes down. This shows that air has a weight. Next property of air is air fills up a space. Air fills up space. Air fills up space. This is the second property of air. Air fills up a space. Anything has a weight that fills up a space. Air has weight means that fills up a space. It fills up a space too. When we blow into a balloon, it gets bigger in size. It shows that A need a space. Take a one balloon and blow air into that one. First your balloon is this much only. When we blow the air into that balloon, it's become bigger in size. That shows that air occupies the space. Air need a space. Do you understand, students? These are the two properties of air. First one is air has a weight and air fills up a space. These are the two properties of air. Next, uses of air. Uses of air. Uses of air. First, what is the use of air? The use of air is that all living things need air to breathe. First one is that all living things need air to breathe. Breathe. This is our first use of air. All living things need air to breathe. I already explained you that's about the man used nose to breathe and plant also living thing now. With the small pores present in the leaves, they help to breathe in the plants, and also in fish gills. Gills are used to breathe. In insects, what they use to breathe? Yes, they use skin to breathe. Like us, all living things, not only human being, all living things, that fish, human beings, plants also comes under living things. All these things, all living things need air to breathe. This is a one main use of air. Next, second one is that we also need air for burning things. Burning things. This means that we need air for burning things. For example, one activity is that take one candle, take this candle and light it. It's glowing continuously. And take another candle, light this, and this candle is covered with a glass. We have to cover this candle with a glass. Students, do you observe what it happens? When a burning candle is covered with a glass, it's not burning. When a burning candle is covered with a glass, it blows out. It blows out after some times because no air present in that glass. Covered with the glass, it blows out after some time. This happened because there is no air left inside the glass to keep the candle burning. If inside the glass air is there, means it will be burn continue like this only. If no air inside, it shows that burning things also need air. Do you understand, friends? We also need air for burning things. How means we blow burning things when a burning candle is covered with a glass is blows out after some time because no air present in this glass. That's why it's a blowout. Next, third property is that third uses of air is that air gives shape to things. 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 This is a balloon and football. It will get their shapes after when we put air into that. When we blow air into that one, it gives the shape to things. For things like another examples of this one is things like tires, balloons, footballs get their shapes only after we fill them with the air. Air gives shapes to things. Which things get shapes when we fill the air into them? Balloon and footballs, then tires. These are things get shapes when we fill the air into them. And also air helps the clothes dry faster. Air helps the clothes to dry faster. Air helps the cloth to dry faster. Dry faster. In your home, your mama wash the cloth and squeeze it and hang into the sunlight. With the help of air, that will get dry very fast. Next, fifth one is that air helps boat to sail. Air helps boats to sail. With the help of air, boat sails in a water. These are the uses of air. What are the uses of air? All living things need air to breathe. All human beings, plants, animals, insects, all need air to breathe. And we also need air for burning things. Third one is that air gives shapes to things. Air helps the clothes to dry faster. Air helps boats to sail. These are the uses of air. Next point is that what does air contain? What does air contain, students? Air contains water vapor. Air contains dust and smoke. And air contains germs. What does air contains? What does air contains? Air contains water vapor. Water vapor. Next, air contains dust and smoke. Air contains dust and smoke. Air contains germs. Air contains germs. These what air contains. Air contains water vapor. When we boil the water, steam come out from the water. We call that water vapor is mixed with the air. This shows that air contains water vapor and air contains dust and smoke. The dust and smoke, the wastage of comes which the factories and vehicles. These dust and smoke mix with the air and also air contains the dust and smoke. Next, air contains germs. When a sick person sneezes and cough into openly, that's germs mix with the air. It's carry in that air only. It's a called that air contains the germs. These are the what does air contains. These are air contains. Air contains water vapor. Air contains dust and smoke, and air contains the germs. Okay, students. And open your page number 46. All human beings, animals, plants need air. Plants help in cleaning the air for human beings and animals. Plants also will breathe. It takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. This helps us to plant, animals and human beings help to breathe and clean air. Human beings, animals and plants need air. Plants help in cleaning the air for human beings. and animals. Therefore, we must plant a lot of trees. That's why we must plant a lot of trees, because of it gives a clean air that's taking carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. We breathe oxygen, no? That's why it gives a clean air. That's why we plant the more trees. We need clean air to breathe. Dirty or polluted air makes us sick. We need to breathe a clean air. Dirty and polluted air, it's make us sick and it may cause to may fall ill. Okay, student, we should breathe a clean air. That's why we plant a lots of trees. Dirty or a polluted air makes us sick. Sick. There are many things that polluted the air. These are pollution of air. How its air will become polluted? Smoke from vehicles. Causes of polluted air. Pollute the air. Which thing make the air pollute? Smoke from vehicle. Smoke from vehicles. Vehicles. Harmful gases. Harmful gases from factories. Harmful gases from factories, garbage. Fourth one is burning of dried leaves, waste papers, etc. These things make the air polluted. Smoke from vehicles. When lot of vehicles are going near this, they create the smoke from them. It's mixed with the air. It will polluted. The air will get polluted. Then harmful gases from factories. Factories also leave many harmful gases in the air from the chimneys. In their factories, chimneys leaves the harmful gases into air. It's a mix up with the air. It's become polluted. Next, garbage. Then waste things. It's also cause bad smell. It causes of becoming air polluted. Then burning of dried leaves, waste papers, etc. When sweeper swipe the road and collect the garbage at one side, they will burn them. That's why burning dried leaves and many things burning cause air pollution. Okay, students, these are the causes of air pollution: smoke from vehicles, harmful gases from factories, garbage, and burning of dried leaves, waste paper, etc. These are the causes of polluted air. Okay, students, remember these things and activities given in your book. Fresh air is good for health. Open the windows of your house. Play games in open air. Breathe deeply. Help to check air pollution. Walk over a short distance and use a bicycle. You do not use vehicles like motorbike, car. Instead of that, we have to use a bicycle to protect the air from the pollution. Next, service the vehicle regularly. We have to service our vehicle regularly. Otherwise, it will create a more air pollution. It will leave more gas from that one. That's why we have to service our vehicles. Plant more trees. I already told you that plant more trees. Because of that, because yes, we breathe a clean air with the help of plants. Plants gives us oxygen. That's why we plant more trees. Then do not burn crackers. Crackers also cause the air pollution. So we do not burn the crackers. Keep the garbage covered. In your home, dustbin and a garbage box, you have to keep closed in your home. Don't keep that open. Students, okay, students, do you understood this? Remember and recall these points, and we'll continue in tomorrow session. Okay, thank you.